In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Shopify store. Quick tutorial. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Shopify admin on a desktop browser. Publishing sets a theme live for your customers, so it's a good idea to have your design and settings finalized and to save any recent changes before proceeding. First, go to your Shopify admin. This is your store's control center, where you manage products, orders, and the look and feel of your website. If you have multiple tabs open, switch to the one that shows your admin dashboard so we can stay focused. Next, click Home. The Home area gives you a quick overview of your store's status and shortcuts to common tasks. Starting here ensures you're on familiar ground and can quickly reach the sections we need. Now, click Skip to Content. You'll usually see this accessibility shortcut at the top of the page. It jumps you straight into the main content area and helps you navigate faster, especially if you're using keyboard shortcuts. It doesn't change any settings. Think of it as a clean, direct path to the key controls. From here, click Online Store in the left-hand sidebar. This is under your sales channels and is where you manage your themes. Themes control your storefront's layout, colors, typography, and sections. When you land on the Themes page, you'll see your current live theme at the top and any unpublished themes below it. Find the theme you're ready to make live, then click Publish. This button appears next to the theme you want to activate. Keep in mind, publishing replaces your current live theme for all visitors, but it doesn't delete anything. Your previously live theme moves to the theme library, so you can switch back later if needed. If you've customized a draft theme, this is the moment those changes go public. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click Publish again to confirm. This double check helps prevent accidental changes. Once you confirm, Shopify applies the theme instantly. You'll see a success message, and the theme you selected moves into the live position at the top of the page. That's it. Your store's theme is now live. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Consider duplicating your theme before major edits in the future so you always have a safe backup. And remember that publishing affects the visual layer only. It won't alter your products or orders. If your storefront still shows a password page, you'll need to remove the storefront password in your preferences when you're ready for public traffic. Thanks for watching.